This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is Art Attack. Hello there, welcome to Art Attack. Now don't worry, I'm not practicing a new dance routine. I'm printing my own personalised stationery by putting my footprint onto envelopes. It's great fun to do, and when it's dry, you can just write right across the envelope, like that, and use it to send off your letters. Now, personalised stationery with your own design on it can cost anything up to £100 if you go to a printer's. So what I do is I get some cheap paper and envelopes and I print my own. Now, of course, the writing paper that goes with those footprint envelopes has got to be hand-printed. Now, to do this, I'm using ordinary poster paint, but you can use powder paint. And when it's dry, it looks something like this. You can write right across it, and I think it gives it a very professional finish. Another way to print your own stationery is to use cardboard cutouts. Now, I've got a cardboard cutout here of a fish shape. I've got my initial. I've got a house, that's always a good one. I've got a heart and a straightforward square. Now, what you need to do is get about 10 centimetres of sellotape, fold it back on itself like that, sticky side out, slip it onto your finger, and you can then use it to pick up one of your cardboard shapes into the paint, and again, just picking it up very carefully, you can use that to print with. And the good thing about cardboard printing is it gives this brilliant textured finish. Look at that. And I've done all of these just by using cardboard. Of course, you can experiment. There's many different ways that you can do it. What about using the wrong end of a felt tip pen? All right, well, let's try this out. A bit of red there. And print onto there, onto the envelope, and into the top corner. Squidge that on a bit more there. And then another colour, I think, maybe green. Try a print there, a print on the envelope. You can always go back for more paint if you need it, which I do. And in the corner. And then another technique is just using fingertips. Yellow, I think. 1, 2, 3, just about there, just smudge that around, there it is. And then get the thin black felt tip pen, just draw some string, there it is, and there, aye, what's that? Okay, that's a little one in the distance, up top there, and there you have your own personalised stationery with balloons blowing in the wind. Suppose you could call it airmail.
Hey, that looks really good. And it's only painted cardboard shapes on plain old, boring old paper and envelopes. You have a go. Keep your designs nice and simple, or you'll have to write very short letters.